friends, good morning. We are on our way to Walmart. It's been a while that we did not do grocery shopping. So today we are going to buy food and some essentials. We'll see you there.
I was planning on buying that. Somebody's moving out.
So we are going to Walmart. There's Walmart. Oh, not beer and wine. There. It's Walmart there. So we're going there. And then quote 16. Finally done. Going out. I don't know who's going out with me. Miss Trevor. Come on, open the door for me, please. Ayan ka mo kahagbong. And I have an LP tank here. Someone there?
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You guys have a great day.
Is the receipt, love?
Nope, you're good.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
It's full. It's very full.
What do they charge for the gas, sweetie?
14 something.
Oh, that's better. It's a little cheaper here in Uniontown.
Yeah,
It's 15 something.
14.92. There. I look on the counter in the screen and it says 14 something. Yeah. The lady at the cashier is a little bit grumpy, so maybe she's been working for the whole day, maybe.
Is that right?
She's kind of grumpy.
Tell her she better get ungrumpy.
I'll put some here, love. Can you please open the door?
Oh.
Click, click. Wait. Didn't work. There you go. Ah, still didn't
You're
work.
pulling too soon.
Okay. Maybe you're clicking the wrong button.
I am.
There you go. Oh, still. There you go.
We'll get it right
Yeah.
sooner or later.
So I'll get the light stuff on the top. Put it here. So you don't need your heavy coat, huh? Here. Yep, I bought that because oh yeah, you were there when I got it. There's still space there. On the other side. Look at the shoes. It's 50 cents. Good deal there. 50 cents shoes. Huh?
It's real light stuff.
Yeah. Oh. I got you 22 cups, K-cups coffee. They don't have the
We really need it.
big one.
Lots of coffee.
Yeah, but I just got one just in case we will be. I don't know when we will be coming back here, so decided to just get them. Well, get one. Get one, get one. We can put this. I have no idea. I'm just stacking them. Corn. So they don't have self-rising.
No, I got plenty of that.
You get a lot of plenty self-rising patients.
You talking about self-rising yeast?
No, flour.
Oh, just get all-purpose.
Yeah, I got all-purpose. I had to get great value. Not the flour. Great value. They don't have the Arm and Hammer.
Not everything.
Yeah, there was a couple, an old couple. They were looking for dry yeast.
Yeah, I can't find it.
Find it. She said, she was asking if they can find dry yeast. The guy said in the baking section, like, oh yeah, baking section. There's nothing there.
Well, let me see if I can fit all this chocolate.
Yeah, those are 10 cents each. So this one is $3. This box is $3 something. That box is $2 something. Almost. This one, maybe this one will fit there, huh?
Yep.
That's one. There's actually one more in my hand. I'm gonna.
I got a spray bottle.
Yeah, I got this spray bottle. I remember you were asking for spray bottle. I think it's better here. It's not full. Well, oh, let me see. I always push it there. Make easier for the people who is doing it.
Alrighty.
We're going home. I'm Hungarian. I did not. Oh no, I only ate a little bit of rice. I'm gonna. Finally done. It took me how long? Now? 2 hours.
Well, you started at 8 o'clock.
I started at 8 o'clock. What time is it? 10:50.
Almost 3 hours. Jeez.
Almost 3 hours
Of shopping.
Yeah.
You should be extremely happy.
No, I'm tired. I'm ready to sleep. Yep. Maraming salamat FLM sa iyong donasyon. Ito, nag-practice lang. I'm just practicing just in case the millionaires will give us help, you know.
FLM?
FLM.
I don't understand what that is.
It's Francis. I forgot his name. Leo? What's it? Marcos? I think.
have no idea.
He's a Filipino millionaire. He's giving,
Is that right?
yeah. He's giving a lot of foods and he's helping Filipino people in the Philippines. So I'm just practicing just in case he will extend it to the Filipinos in America.
I'm not taking out no handouts.
We're not taking any handouts.
We don't.
We're working for our food.
Give it to the people that need it.
Yep, that's right.
Wrong of us to take something we don't need. Now we
That's
need money.
right. Well, we accept money. We don't accept food, just money, okay?
Well, that's to pay our credit card.
Pay our debt.
We bought food with credit card.
Yeah. So, we still accept it. Just make it money. Just
You'll probably
practicing.
be driving into work, what, 1 or 2 days this week?
I'm not sure. That depends on Matt.
Okay, you got
I think gas is okay. Take me to work in a week.
in a week?
In
For a week.
for a week. Bad English.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, very bad.
I was gonna say, you're gonna wait for a whole week to come into work?
Yeah. We still have more than half. So that will take me for a week. We're going home. That's the fact. Bus for people in town who does not have vehicles or who doesn't want to drive their vehicles. So they can take that bus going to places. They have stations to drop off and pick up passengers. I don't know how much they pay for that. I don't know if it's free or whatever. I haven't tried.
You don't want to ride on there.
I don't want to ride in there. Okay. I'll take your word for it.
COVID-19. We'll take our own car.
Okay.
Makes them easier to get on and off if they got powder in them, but some people are allergic to the powder.
Yeah, look. That's why they always ask if we are allergic to latex.
Well, the glove is made out
Gloves.
of latex.
Yeah.
You can get them with powder or without
Or without
powder.
powder. So this one has powder. That's why I was wondering what happened to my fingers. It's white. So that's from the gloves. So this is the best part of shopping. Putting them away. So ito na yung ipang butang sa butanganan. Alright. So this is the shampoo I've been using. It's 2 in 1. So there's already, this is the shampoo and the other one is the conditioner. So I bought 4 bananas here. Plantains. They look rot, but they look bad, but in the inside they're okay. Oh, it's Chiquita plantain from Guatemala. So this is our saba here, since we don't have it here. So this will be our saba. The only problem I have with this kind of bananas, it gives me headache. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. God bless.